on top of everything.
On top of everything.
Yes. On top. Okanyal kelo mogo to dichuo kelo nyanya. Unless circumstances like tije urumo, something like ama yani otimo ala to kowuono ne rach. Lakini ber ka dichuo kele mabit ber mondo bed gi teko. Idwa gona koko nadi tan makelo mogo idi kelo lot. Ni nyalo hadha lot no dong mogo ne wanyalo chamo gi chumbi. So dichuo gin aggressive. To kama chuo gin aggressive no, akiani end up bringing kosenang. Gin very comfortable. Kiegi momi very comfortable. Kisa yudo matin, ingeni nyako gombo ga gik maber. Chiegi sani kata kinyieo ne sofa moro mogombo ga. To kungisi ni sofa ni nyalo donjo gi console table moro maber kanyo. To kise nyieo ne mano to podo go paro ni curtains moko kombe wagi oingo curtains cha. Kise nyieo ne curtain no to kungisi ni koro carpet dwaro ma koro wagol ma ok donji gi mayani they always think. But dichuo to book penji ni doge come kom. Doge wan gi curtain. I think that is the problem.
That's the problem.
Lakini watu moro ni empowerment miyo kori bedo kichwa ngumu to mano okapar.
Now where do you see the society maybe in the next 20 years huko negi no the mabora kabisa with this empowerment and something like that? Inenoka society dika machalo nani?
If we continue empowering only the women,
only the women to boy chala we kind of where we go?
Terrible. It will be terrible. Because they cannot also live without they cannot also live without the men. They need the men one way or another. But now the man is there. Okay, winjo ngat moro mawacho ni mgogo kae manigi pesa dala to piny lich. Afadhali owete be obede gi pesa. Lakini ka nyaru mokendi nyakache manigi pesa. Be un gi shida.
Ngata winje.
Kudo kaminu otho, udo tero mochari. Wini poko wacho. Kudwa gero tent to wini kanyo boro mo wend wini. Kudwa sabo ji chiemo be wend wini osechiemo nyako wadu maduong' shwari. Nikech en nolinga kanyo sama nyako ni ringo. Koro ji onego ringo parallel pamoja. Magi gin nyithindo te. Kinyuolo nyathi ma nyako gima wuoyi. Unafaa kuwapeleka shule wote wasome wote. Wako na same opportunities. I mean we have ladies working in the bank, we have men working in the bank. But ingeni gini benochako gi chuo. Chuo emanochako. Ana nyalo wacho ni chuo emanochako because for example kai ni chuo rato itiye bank tamba tiye bank. To what is the same department? Workload si same. Tukitoka kazi mimi nataka kufikiria uniform ya mtoto yenye nilipeleka kwa fundi, niende Naivas ninunue mkate ya kesho, nipitie soko ninunue mboga, nifike kwa nyumba, nipike, nioshe watoto. Nifanye hizi vitu zote. Watoto wakule. Alafu wewe umepitia kwa marafiki zako unakunywa juice 2-3. Alafu unakuja na gazeti unapata chakula imeiva unakula, una watch CNN. Sasa una watch CNN mimi na prepare ya kesho. Alafu ukisha watch CNN unaoga uende kwa kitanda. Mimi nimalize nipige pasi uniform ya kesho na nguo yako. Ni prepare maybe sweet potato so that kesho nikuwe na workload ndogo. And then nikienda bedroom pia unaningoja. Sasa unaona nimechoka kukushinda. So hapa rodi watu wangekuwa empowered tangu kitambo ingekuwa better because a good man, I know there are so many men wenye wamefanya hivyo. Ana consider that bibi yake pia amechoka anatoka kazi. That's why utakuta ameandika house girl. There are men who do that. Wameandika house girl hata akitoka kazi anaambia bibi yake twende tukunywe chai kwanza because anajua walisha assign kila kitu inafanyika vizuri nyumbani. And that is what should happen. Because huyu akiona sasa unaona huyu msichana mwenye anachoka sana. Siku yenye atapata opportunity. Huyu mwanaume atampigia paka duster na oshe viatu yake. Because ameumizwa for long. And then I think as time went by wanawake walikuwa nazidi kuumia na kuteseka na kukua chini so that every organization wakaona women are suffering. So utapata tu women empowerment, so many of them women empowerment. Kwa sababu kila mtu alikuwa anaona wanawake wanateseka. So vile walikuwa wanaendelea kuempower women, wakasahau walikuwa na empower women so that wakuwe better. Alafu wakawapeleka mbio mpaka wakapita sasa wanaume. Hiyo ndio shida sasa.
Hey, mano kila penjo maro ni is it because mano mume bendo wanka actually got a lot of single mothers in the society of today? Do you think ni empowerment manga actually ni mabende koro changi ama but I would be a lot of single mothers, a lot of single relationships in the current situation.
Single mothers tongen, but single mothers biro in so many ways. Ntie ngat mane odonje relationship to yudo nyathi. To sama ongiso ngat cha ni en gi nyathi, ni en gi ich to ngat cha oringo. So unakuta analea mtoto peke yake. Lakini hiyo inafanyika tu na ile age yetu ya nyuma. But in the current world and with the kids that we have, they decide to be single mothers. They choose. I've talked to several teenage girls and they tell you, mimi nitakuwa na watoto 3 na sitaolewa.
Reason?
Men are stupid. They say that.
Explain the stupidity in men.
Okay, it varies. One girl will tell you that nilikuwa na baba yangu hakuwa na provide anything. Mama alikuwa na provide kila kitu. Unajua hapo huwezi elewa vizuri because sometimes baba alikuwa anapea mama na hamjui. So you are taking sides without knowing, sindio? That is a bad reason by the way. Because you are not sure. Maybe hata hii biashara yenye unaona mama yako anatoa pesa ya kuwa support, baba yako ndiye alifungua. But there is this lot yenye wanasema baba yangu alikuwa anachapa mama yangu kila siku analala kwa ndizi. I don't want the same life for myself and my kids. That is a bit genuine, but again you tell them you are not marrying your father. You are marrying someone else. But again you wonder if this same man that used to beat his wife has the strength to tell someone's son like, usiwahi piga mtoto wangu, ukichoka na yeye unirudishie. But yeye alipiga mtoto wa mtu. So you see, they have genuine reasons and the reasons vary. But you see, like wao wame make choice. Kuna wenye wame make choice tu, yeye hataki kuolewa. Na kuna pia mwenye amejaribu. Amejaribu lakini akashindwa. Kama ukipata uko kwa ndoa na wewe ndio unalipa all bills, si afadhali uko peke yako.
Circumstances nyalo bedo mabende korido ka koro maybe mana gima ne pongo watocha teacher room to nuda kamora achiel gi nyako ni to sistema ko the person mabende koro no kawo nyako ni moti the school
anota yi
koro she's earning koro at the moment koro you're not earning. Is it enough reason mami koro nyako ringo de dakene ni keche no koro timo the bills keche nyalo cholo geta pogi moro 1 year
that is
not podonge teach.
That is not enough reason marweyo ngato mondo idhi pidhi nyithindo kendi. Shida biro ni ipidhe, like you're paying all the bills, what? To electricity mara watcha, they all supply good. Yani like, I supply at my expense. La umiru wako an manyeo. Chimo michamo mondi bedroom majaber. And magineni. I don't mind to provide for my family.
Let me say but a man also provides everything. Kana and God.
Electricity mama choni ni.
Ange.
Doge mama choni ya. Gima nyalo miyo nyako we. Eno se amwa ni odwa dak. To in podo yani the only thing my nya protect. Ina Steve Wangisi. If I'm married to you, your mother gave birth to you, akakuosha maybe for 3, 4, 5 years. Sindio? You are still growing. You shared a bed with your siblings, even girls or boys. Maybe mlikuwa mnaoga mtoni, maybe until the age of 10. After that, your sisters stopped seeing you naked. Sindio? Mama yako pia ikaisha hivyo. So maybe your brothers ndio bado mlishare simba, maybe until the age of 20, but ingei that much. Kora anarumu kodi at 30. Wadak kodi dongo. Now you are 40. Alafu watch katani pokiminjo ga scenario moro ni ngatoto. Koro idwaro family obi identify. To ngati maybe face neno inyore ahinya. Min ginyalo wacho mana ni gimoro no gwaro ga tiende kotin. To ngato wacho kato yudo ka chigi wacho ni en ga gimoro we angi. Koro yudo ka gimoro no ni in a very secret place ma min wok nyangi yo wuno nyangi your siblings cannot check. So this is the part ma a woman is proud saying like ane mangeo Steve molo ngatoka ngato. Yani Steve belongs to me. Unaelewa? That is what makes you different. Like if you stand like 10 women and 20 men, you can say Steve is mine. But koro kapo ni alama ma Steve ni gani? Mona paro ni. What is the pride? What is the pride?
What is the pride?
Dogi wacho ni public. Karawe ambe adoge pap. Tingeni rach ni mon ko bi e pap to koro gidhi moloyo. Yani what men can do, women can do better. But what I know is gibedo pushed. Nitatetea wanawake like okay, a very small percentage gin joma hit giricho. Wenge gini. Lakini a bigger percentage gin joma bedo pushed. Otemo. Steve wangisi ni unge nyako manyalo dwaro ni ode okethre. For a woman to leave her house, osetemo nyake kona. There is a small percentage manigi like oyudo ja pesa onyalo wechuore. But percentage maber mowe utegi. Otemo totano. Kori mai iyudo ka afadhali ya make wise decision ya kuenda than akae hapo alafu kesho tuone ameuliwa ama ameua mwenzake. Ama nego nyithindo. Dokina nakati ndege nego nyaka nyithindo.
Like example mabende dago mpengi na like what gima mabende timore ahinya mabende korodo ni tire nyoro ka ben nwago kamba kamoro kandito one of our members mabende na watch mano lo muri daktari Collins Onyuka na wacho ni nek mabende simoko timore konde gini ket ngini koro ladies bendos biro gin wasigi giwe the next time makoro nyako nyalo kawo thuolo mabende dhi negi nyako wadgi. What is leading to this? Gimanya mi kaka usukani minegi nyawadu. Minegi nyawadu.
Machamo Kenya Power maru.
Manya ochamo tokens magodu. Hey.
Okay.
What is really the problem? Hey.
An wach marriage to okanyalo se ahinya nikech aonge gi experience no, but gimanyalo wacho ni aparo ni lit mamiyo chopo kanyo. Nikech jo Kenya sana joluo wacho ni chuote jodogo. But yudo ka depend gi kaka dichuogni o treat family ni. Ng'ato ok nyal gi kibarua. Kaito moyudo godhiambo to kuongo go ka girlfriend. Mano ber. Ok inyal chamo ring'o kucho tibiro jiero ne nyithindo mochamo. Ginene matawi ya maharagwe. Tijiero ne gi ring'o. Mano kelo pain. To kine ka nyako wuok madhi ochuo nyawadgi kaka koro nune no manya masarita. I don't know the real story, but kapo ni nyako chinga to no dhi ochuoyo nyako mabet ga gi chuore. Nyalo yudo ni koro chuore ni be koro riyo ga kanyako cha ahinya. Ama oko provide ot. To kata ko provide tibo yudo ni omiye power mang'eny mochayo go chigi. Ingeni the moment mi iromo gi like when you are a man. Okawacho ni dhi man nyako moro, but when you are a man to in gi dhako ti yudo nyako moro. Kiki mi nyako no power mar chayo chigi. Chiegi mayaw ne gwen mi bagine ne. Chiegi malai koluongi kamoro ti itingo chiegi no idhigo. Idwa miyo nyako moro chaye nang'o. Kaponi you have the ability to marry two wives, fine. But ka dhako mokuongo ne chamo ga chai gi mkati. Kikoro mag chaye go duma nikech ikedo dhako moro. Ng'ika mfuko ni nyalo maintain udi ariyo. Ka nyithindo ne somo Aga Khan. Wasiwache kusoma Aga Khan ndio wabidi mjini. Waendelee tu kusoma hapo na wale pia wapeleke huko. To kikimi nyako cha power. Ere kaka yudo ka girlfriend oyanyo chinga to give very sensitive information. No ng'eyo kanyigi. Dongin mingise? Yes. Uru miso jigigo. Chiura chiwa Kenya Power tokens to dog out. Uru golo family secrets. Kechin pesa moro ingi mari mako gol. Hey. Koro dichuan apa no nengo bed gi boundaries. I don't have a problem with joma kendo mon mang'eny. Ana nyathi dogo. Ni wuon ga par.
Do you support it?
I don't have a problem with it. And kata bet number 10 tek na chamuri. Uga ukuchuta na chamuri. Uga ota na chamuri. Uga unwo. In fact, I think I tell people jokingly. I don't know how they take it, but personally, I've never wanted to be the only wife.
You've never wanted to be the only wife?
To this woman or this Kenyan man. Wacha tu niende nikijua tuko watano.
So unataka ukue wa kwanza ama wa mwisho?
Wa kwanza comes with a lot of responsibilities. Kwa thought okay itima. Afadhali ukue hata wa 6. Unajua if you are the 6th one when he dies, his family is fighting you, your co-wives are fighting you, your stepchildren are fighting you, but your family and your friends are contributing for you. And then you wear a very expensive dress to the funeral, and then they'll chase you after that. And one of his friends will come and console you. Okay, not in a bad way, but polygamy is there.
So polygamy is
Openly
openly
or secretly.
Or secretly.
Yes. Kora paro ni ng'ato kaka wuon wacha to did well nikech en nokendo. En apani ne ko musa nyariti to okendo. Musa to kendo because wan gi mine mang'eny. Like sasa unaona saa hizi minwa monyuola no setho, but I don't feel like aonge mama nikech kigi sasa ni kibugni to pod adibiro gi 5 of them. You see. To pokanyano ka gidhao. Alafu if I look at my siblings, my brothers and sisters, kadine wuon wajadaka achiel, I'd miss a lot. I miss a lot. My family is beautiful.
So what can you advise the ladies ma feel mana ka message kendo sa wango igi choro kodwan mondo wuogi ng'ato okodwan mondo choro ken ngama what inyalo nyiso gi nade winjo nikech magi mabendo sebedo ka chando ji mang'eny you cheat ne gimon ma momi wan kende mondo wangane mbaka ne to chalo nade wona kodika.
The problem is also chuma cheat they made a vow in church. Mane shida kindu. Yendi I tell people don't promise what you cannot give. For yendi gin kane gise promise ni go bedo faithful to Kenya Power sani gichiwo donc mano nyaka mon chwanya. Never get chwanya. But I think the most painful part, so many women as I interact gi mon mang'eny, so many women nyalo chwanyra matin kapo ni dichwo is responsible to ero family ne to protect chiege. Shida mabiro ga mang'eny en ni ionge to kucho be kar mondo ichiw tokens most ikuodha. Like ilonya, you understand? Ilonya.
Agolo dugi.
Igolo duga. Protect like joluo moko nigi chir maber kabisa. Ko misi no duari tipenye ndo winra gi dhako. To misi to mano to donje nadi. Ira mano ngama ber because ite chiga tipenjo nango ane maduari tani an gi dhako idwara koso kidwara. And then maybe hapo in between ki mention chiege bobo misi to mago to donje mago to mbaka magi. Huyo ni mwanaume mzuri.
Mago to mbaka magi.
Chiege to by the way chiege to discuss nango. Chiege no ko oruchore ni mondo. Unajua the problem is okay, the part I love about women empowerment is because women wanaanza to think openly and they stop blaming themselves for the problems that they face in their lives. Chiegi momio dichuko chodo to society go blame chiegi. Njinga tmosegiso gachore ni baba kora do ni dichuri onge. But the society will blame like ibo ido kataka minu monyuoli wacho bi jakadem to berga. Inangei inyara in lelo. Mama yako mwenye anafaa kukukumbatia. There was a story that was doing rounds a few years ago that a lady alikuwa ameteswa na bwana yake, ameteswa kabisa in Kikuyu land. Alafu siku moja bwana yake akamfukuza. Akatoka na watoto wake wawili akaenda kwao. Ndio alifika kwao mama yake akamwambia lala tu, lakini kesho asubuhi rudi kwako. Ndoa si hakuna ndoa rahisi. So msichana like alikuwa anafaa kupata comfort from her mom. Alafu mama yake ndiye alimwambia hivi. Unafikiri mama yako akishakwambia hivyo dunia kweli imebaki na nani? Kama mama yako ndiye hajakupea haki. Dongi kuri nkendi. Nyako chakane odoko ile kutoka to barabara no doko kati. Tudongo mwe mre adam gite. Oro empowerment mar women, part my ragoni women think for themselves without worrying about what society will say. Like kadi chuogo ya pile. Tasetem to nyasaye unge na setem. I can walk out of this marriage and stop listening to what people are saying and take care of my kids. Because society emamiyo ji mang'eny thoe udi. They judge you, they talk about you. Koro women empowerment gimaber go ni mine ya pachgi. Yeah, pachgi makoro they don't mind what gimaji wacho. They can easily walk out of an abusive marriage. They can speak for themselves. Ingeni piny machon chaparo ni dichuone wacho to timo. Aparo kama. But koro maindi inyalo keto tuo piny minise ni wuon ngane bet piny wa discuss ane kaka wanyalo timo. But okowach ni nitie chuo ma empower mon gi to nitie mon be mose empower chuo gi. Mano bedo gi ng'eyo. Yes. To be nitie jo mose empower chuo gi ma gidhi adia maber. To nitie jo mose empower mon gi mabe odhi adia maber to nitie jo mose empower mon gi ma mondo gi owe gi immediately. Lakini shida yes, so shida maduong' en ga mana kat token ka. Token ni ema ji okuno chi. Tema kipenjo, tema nyalo kelo lweny. Koro inyalo yudo kata ni mano negi Nyamasariani. Apart from chiemo ma samoro ok onyiew, ibo yudo ni token be koro kochiw nikech tuo be kia kaka girizon ko yudo manyien to koro moro chako dwa. Koro inyalo yudo ni staff everywhere.
Itire seminar moro mabende no madhi mabende do ka bende chuma ko wacho ni mo be gitimo kamano nikech gibe ituno gi token cost.
To ng'ama denyo gi mich gi token. Samoro ituno ni chiemo, to samoro ilwere the whole day. To samoro iwe another thing doka gima na wacho ni GTO techa. Samoro iwe responsibility mar ot te. Inyalo paro ni providing ema oromo lakini bete ot kata gi nyithindo go nyalo miyo ng'ato emotionally problems. Koro ino kidwa understand lakini kosetimo tije go kotieko kochope ot tirite. Betu tirite. Koro mondo tuoni there is a reason. To kapo ni nyalo wacho reason ni samoro nosebilo gimoro oko mamitne. Gin mani dhire be mo be. Ni tuone na. Ibo iro di mani fugo tuone. Gene tuo betine tuone.
Tuo betine tuone ji.
Isongo.
Mana kawanya koro mgajwa kamara mero te kapul makende mapoda medo ruaki cheno mabeno ogoro mbaka kani koro mgajwa cheno mar galcha de mvama to mo mbaka neto anguma timoro dipo ni girls kara mana ni dendi se do more empowered to the extent mabende koro galcha koro obedo randa ni koro ngimo nyalo timo kacha ongea cha bedo mang'eny to magi bende koro chopo kelo nek ma away ko kamano kete mana kanyo da ka break matin keto kama dugo to adhi chakita kama wewe no podwan kande kacha kod Winnie Augo bola the CEO of Winnie Augo Foundation program kete mana kanyo ka bende chino ni wakelo ni godo chep kachiel hotel maduno mar Selela Resort modo chumbo mono ma Kisumu City kete mana kanyo gidi mabor.
Yo Kanyanam, ma en chuny Onagi TV. Kama joluo chokore adundo. Ma en Nyakusa Nyamama Nyamaro, the only Dudu queen existing. Watiyo tije kaka mag campaigning for girl child education, campaigning against gender-based violence, togi mamoko. To magi duto, iyudo mane chuny Onagi TV. Chuny Onagi TV, adundo joluo. Warwako ujo Kanyanam duto.
Chuny Onagi TV, adundo jaluo. Ineno Chuny Onagi TV. Chuny Onagi TV, adundo jaluo.
Mana kama nya kora magajwanga kautul makene mar ruaki kinde telo mar Rio mar Chuny Onagi TV cheno mabendo uwe kawanya kora magajwanga mar girl child empowerment kama bende no matemo lero kacha ni to enango mabendo sebedo diponi girl child empowerment ni sebedo mang'eny ruok kora magajwanga mabende koro sebedo ka kelo nek mawaya kachel koda ketro mabendo wede udi kan kora magajwanga mami wan kande kachel kod jalon Winnie Augo Ogola mabende temo lero wakande chel kachiel kora magajwanga kapo ni penjo tinyalo penjo wakanyo mbui marwa Facebook page mara Chuny Onagi TV, YouTube page mara Chuny Onagi TV kachal ko TikTok mara ben on live kachal ube nga TikTok tinyiswa nyisani to channel ne koro mgejongo kito mana kanyo podwane chimbo mono ma Kisumu hotel madongo mar Selela Resort penjo madongo ni Augo agomo miyo chumo sekedo sani kata most of the people do come in the single girls kata single moms the single ladies get a hot cake the mokada do gini mabol.
Chuo sani ok date single mothers. You date married women.
Chuo date married women. Confirmed.
Igene di chuo ka en gi chiege, to en gi responsibilities ge. Lakini Kenya Power ema nogombo kete kambi mopogore. Odhi manyo chi ng'ato. Nes giwacho ga ni wan wakwayo gas, ni moso wakawuon to kiny wakwayo gas. Koro mostly joma ketho marriages ma ji paro ga ni en one single mothers but gi piny masani ni gi kasongo kaka tero ng'weche. Apar kaka chulo rent, apar kaka puonjo nyathina, apar kaka society kuna hiyo judgment ya society ya single mothers. An gi sama gombo go Kenya Power dir. Lakini kati gini a married man ko biro ira to nyako luor nikech oparo ni abo dwaro nokenda. Ing'e ni chuo paro ga ni nyako ka nyako gombo nokendi. Maybe ogombo, maybe ok ogombi. To maybe kata in miparo na gombo nikenda no okin type na. Anya wacha ni kauno kech kaya wacham Kenya pa wadhi kuma dhi.
But okigom kende.
Nitie moko making'iyo ti wacho ni mata hapana.
Okinyal gombo ng'ato lakini Kenya pa ne tidwaro.
Dong samoro kech ne kae. Samoro token norumo ne chon. Ogombo kata mondo omodhe pi mang'ich mo. Koro iyudo ka misconception tie mar ji paro ga para ni single mothers gin threat. Emomiyo ibo yudo kata ka landlords moko ok chiw ot ne single mother. Upenji ni jaodi ni kanye. Antie kuma nadake 4 years to negi ga ni jaoda ni loka. Tingeni loka na poko duogo. Adak madad. But then after a while I think wali realize huyu ananga bwana, but ango makosa mane manadhi timo kanyo ma a couple kanudu. Koro wach moro ni single mothers in the current world, single mothers okema ketho udi iketho gi fellow married women. To kata moko inyalo paro no date Winnie to karo date Kevin muwuotho ga gono. Piny masani ogadre malich. To seche moko yudo ka gi prefer married women apani nikech ok obi dwaro commitment. Like waromo wang'eyo gimomiyo waromo. Ok obi kwai pesa. Apart from that, pesa to nyakwa but ok obi dwaro ni kende. Ok obi wacho ni cheat nikech dongo ong'eyo ni chuor ng'ato. Koro yudo ka sani yudo ka chuo moko hero mana date married women. To single mothers to nyingwa ne rach chakre chon. Nyingwa ne rach wang'iyo go.
Era ka nyingwa ne rach.
Donge ji ong'eyo
ni nyingwa yo mana.
Waketho ute ji watimo ang'owa. Ndalo moko ne adak kamoro mane awinjo ka jirani kwero nyathine ni kik otugi nyathi ma udugu. So nona vitu kama hizo. But okapar kama no ni maber nikech okapar ka there is a family mongel single mother. Nyaki yude ka wayu moro, nyaminu moro, nyari moro, yani it happens. To ikia gimomiyo ng'ato nochopo ka. Koro ji owe single mothers.
Makama yakora mgajwange njo kawinya hugo temwacho kata ni mondo ji owe jaji nikech gin single mothers mano bende gimoso bedo ka timore mang'eny chutho te e society mabende chalo koda kamandi. Nitire kaka bende moko single mothers bedo mistreated kata kuonde mag dhi osim kuma chalo kamano. Experiences mabende moko se unjo kama ni Yesu go pa.
Awinjo ka joma tiyo office wacho ga ni ka boss ni ka itiyo ka ionge gi dichuo to tie kaka joma nigi chuo wana treat vibaya. An pok abedo ga environment. But okay, asetiyo kuma ng'eyo ni no chaga ji. But anto I developed that okabi mi audience mar chaya. Kapo kichaya to imabo make sure ni ichari ni mo. But mano be anyalo wacho ni no kel gi wach moro ma ji chayo single mothers ni. Kori unajua ukirealize like the world is not going to be friendly to you. Then you have to develop devices mamiyo idin jogo kuchoki gitu kodi. Ibedo you defend yourself mpaka unajikuta umedefend yourself from harmless people. Unaona?
One is single mothers, man no joke man gi thindro.
Yes.
One is singles.
Singles ginde monge nyathi.
Ngamonge thindo bado sipo kama bende koro nyalo bedo ok ni okonyal bedo go but
dong mako bentie sana. So iparo ni mondo ng'ato amua especially in Africa that I'm going to be childless. Iparo ni ng'ato medi tugo. Kitugo ko keep onge gimi dhi pe ochalo Jehovah Witness. Akona answer to every question that you want to. In Africa for you to decide to be childless. By choice. Hiyo ni mtu amejipanga. Watu wanakwanga tu vulnerable wengi moko machuo riembo ama machuo giotho. But you see in the current world be hakuna watu wamechayo single mothers sana because I've seen people wenye walikuwa wamechayo single mothers bwana zao wakakufa. Hiyo ndio taita life humbled them. So unaona mtu mwingine akiona that experience anawacha kudharau single mothers. But what I know about single mothers is that they work hard. And that is what irritates people. Ibudo kwa tiyo kodi to godhi amba na dhi uso kata nyuka street. Because I know that anema kelo mogo, tanema kela lot. So you ndio ina irritate watu. but I don't understand why if one day a single mother succeeds inakuanga tu na yudo baba. To yudo ka ng'at mawacho ni mano koro no yudo chuor ng'ato otimone gimoro en wuon chuore opidho. Koro mipidho ni ne nyalo timone another single mother. That is the problem. Yani a woman cannot succeed on their own. Inakuanga tu chuor ng'ato. To chuoji go be moko ipidho. Kori woro ni ng'at mipidho eno nyalo puonjo kata nyathi nyawadi.
Itu ni chuoji go be moko ipidho.
Ipidho ot. And then nowadays ladies wamechanuka sana because nyiri chon ne ko yudo like yudo dichuo manigi pesa. Oriembo mtoka maduong' kana. Kiwacho ni ayudo jackpot. But currently ladies have realized that sometimes unafikiri hiyo pesa ni wewe mwanaume, kumbe 90% of the properties ni za bibi. So mwanaume ni gari tu anaweza kukupea nayo ride, aende akulie chakula selela ukule. But pesa ya maana hakuna dunia ya bibi. That is why hata hawana desire sana, like huwezi kuta wasichana wanakimbilia sana. You know those days men used to work hard. Nowadays they are becoming more comfortable.
Akawanya kora mjua kamera mara mcheka tu makende ma goero kamano madunga yenyo kumkete mane chuno na gitu kikandie kama bende nwate mogomba kakande kachel kod winya ugo kudure kachel kod gik mabendo sebedo kati more Girlchild Empowerment kachel bende gi nek mabendo sebedo kati more oyae na wote mongo ni to angogi ni mabende nyalo kelo gine kora mjua gibende Girlchild sebedo momo empowered osedibeni boy child wan bende wasebedo lazy ne kora mjua mokalo gino bende nyalo ngi kapoko tie kora kapul makende mondo miamie CEO winya ugo gola mondo miwa wach mugit to miwa jumba nito chalo nade wuonwa kata giwa late the single moms kaachiel koda bende rowere ojende jonyuol mabende koro no chelo machalo koda kamani win tulen mari miwa wach mugik ne janen
and give anyalo nyiso. First I'll start with maybe organizations osebiro mang'eny like to empower girl child. Natoka ng'ato kata I'm from my own experience kwa timoga gi activities magwini ya Ugo Foundation. Yudo ka kudhi dala moro to yudo nyithindo manyiri gi mayewuoyi. Everyone feels sorry for the girl child. To nobody cares about the boy child. Yudo ka gin gi difference mar 1 year. To ana wuon as someone mwenye raise a boy child. Nikech wuoda son is 24. Kapo ni at 20 wuoda ne pod nyalo kwaya like onyalo kwaya gimoro nyaka gik monego kwa parent. Mama nisaidie to mani gi 15 years to wuon gi no sepa gimeni. To society imemwacha to be strong on his own. Yani raise yourself. I will raise the girl, raise yourself. Some organizations could raise the girl. Muna raise the girl, mnamfanyia girl empowerment, mnafikiria girl child, mnawapea pads, mnawafanyia nini, mnawafunza about sex, mnawafunza about drugs and everything. Kwa nini mnaacha boy child? Kwa sababu huyu msichana akishakuwa mkubwa anafaa kukua pia anapata bwana. Ataolewa na nani kama hamja empower the boy child? So I think organizations should balance. Ukipeleka ati unataka kusupport girls with pads, kumbuka boys pia. Unaweza pea boys boxers and vests. At least pia iwafanye wakuwe confident hivyo na wakuwe motivated ya kwamba wako equal. Sasa kwa sababu ukitetea msichana inamaanisha it's like tunataka society in future ikue wanawake tu ndio wako na wanaume wakuwe tu pale, na inafanya wanakuwa waoga sana. So at least the society can balance. We can treat the girl and the boy same because wote ni watoto wetu. Alafu to our children like girls sana kitu inaleta pia hii vita ya uliwa. Ni nyathima sani be manyako odwa chako life loan we od 20,000. To teach be onge go malongo. Why college ama podene college to seda ke 20,000. Some of us, for us to get here and wachako gimte 200. To 200 no becho point man kako dionge rent. Yes. Koro shortcut maji dwaro ni ema inyowa. Nikech ingeni the moment ma idwaro ngato mondo mi pesa ne obogolo masharti e pesa ne. To yudo ka it's not a genuine dating. I date ngato nikech omi pesa. Koro chieng' moro kiwinjo ka ngato no date someone else, gibedo ni malit. Midhi nego ngato the other person because your source of income inachezewa. but day in gigi more lweti ama if you are comfortable living your life according to what you can afford, hii wivu na roho chafu haingekuwa. Koro gima nyalo nyiso nyiri ni work hard. Gawaje boys pia nowadays kuna wanataka hiyo shortcut and they know what they do, but girls sana sana wanafaa tu wasipende maisha mzuri yenye wawezi afford. Just walk your pace, kwa sababu ukiangalia internet of late unakuta youths wanakufa sana. Boys wa 22 wamekufa, msichana wa 20 wote wamekufa, and then at 23 mtu alikuwa na Prado. Amekufa yes, lakini alikuwa na Prado mbili. Alikuwa anaenda kwa club anamwagia musician pesa. So unakuta another youth anajiuliza, what am I not doing right? Like sasa mimi nitajiambia mimi sina hata wits at this age, na huyu mtoto ako na si eti amesoma sana. So ni shortcuts tu, wako na shortcuts nyingi zenye zinarudi zinawaua mapema. Wanakufa vifo fani sana because kuna poison, watadungana kisu, watafanya nini because of ndogo ndogo. They don't want to work hard. Lakini sasa sijui nani atawa rescue because saizi pia they don't listen.
They don't listen.
They don't listen at all.
Maybe kitiko tonjisoni to wini ugo foundation ndore kanye gima bende timo kuponigo wala mara bende digo maroni to yudi kanye to timo ginade.
Anantiregia salon, a beauty salon located in Tomboya Estate, Casabella Building, shop number 5. If you want to do your hair, natural hair, dreadlocks, microlocks, sister locks, and any other style, you can contact me on 0721 174 282, or just check our page on Facebook, Winnie's Dreadlocks and Braid Center. Winnie Ogu Foundation is a community-based organization. We support communities within Kisumu. Target were main and conquer the elderly and youths. In the beginning, we were dealing with the elderly alone, but now we discovered that ukisaidia elderly peke yao huwezi kuwasaidia sana, because maybe grandmother or grandfather aliachiwa watoto na watoto wake. So ukiendelea maybe umjengee nyumba na umpe chakula, food supply, haitakuwa sustainable. But kama uko na youth mwenye unaweza mchukua train on hairdressing, then unaweza ama baking, pastry, tailoring and things like that, then they can be able to fend for their families. So currently we are enrolling girls on hairdressing. If there is a girl that is very vulnerable, you can look for us through our page Winnie Ogu Foundation on Facebook and on TikTok.
Mwachiro kama ndunga nyako mchopezo marwakandi wagwero kama ndunga yenyanya say made gweduni gwedi kendo cha korom kende siku kende nya korom gwedwangero kama ndunga yenya mabene nikete channel machalo kwa kamanji chapeno wa chake na kagisani adonero kama ndunga yenya made lower white tuno na giti nya korom gwedwang, YouTube page tuno na giti subscribe, Facebook page tuno na giti video, TikTok kacha bende yulo wakacha luo benga TikTok to follow nya korom gwedwang wacho gani tap send. Jadi wakanya korom gajuang goero kama madunga inya kana medusa mara bene ni akwanya watinya korom gajuang lu benga kachel koda hotel madunga Marcelela yima bene pore kete cheno niro kama madunga inya ka kendo cha korom kana kendo di chingno mabiro garagi seche gima bende biro kana de kole kacha program pogre kijana mabende ya siasa jana mabende ni wecho la pogre chope chino na TV kana mondo matwa maber kabisa kende woge jo penye korom gajuang nikichumai kama bende wago mbaka kaya kama wambeke kaya kama watudre kacha korjo penye chel kachel kabende wote mumi wagenito chalonade najua kama bende umiwakata wote pogre kama mlunga nyako mketoto ni kanyo awadhe somo maber kabisa maleta chenoni and Steve James nyako nyorenye wake uriti masane
Mani loving any puonjo tek erai ma puonje mani erai ngeni chiko tek erai ma chike ngamani loving any puonjo betek erai ma puonje ngadiera love yero kende oyero toto jaber hai kwara mogi man Fredi Jakadongo Madisco ar Chunyo Nagi TV aero neno Chunyo Nagi TV adundo joluo nikech mae e kama jothumbe te mae od jongoma mae kama promote jothumbe mae kama wayude puonj makare mae kama wawinje thumbe wa manyasani gi manyachon manaka med ero chenro mar Chunyo Nagi TV kete mane Chunyo Nagi TV adundo joluo wan kanyakla.